Hey kids! Want to create your own games and animations? Join Scratch Masters. Learn, create, and play with an expert. Start your coding adventure today. In the course you will be using a powerful platform where you make own games, stories, and animations. In this course you will learn how to use TurboWarp platform, then you'll learn the basics of Scratch coding, you'll learn what are the uses of each block and its functions. No need to be an expert to learn Scratch coding, you'll be building interactive projects in the course. You'll be building interactive games. You can build any game you want. Hunting game, ping pong game, archery game, and more of interactive games you can make. You can make puzzles, stories, science experiments, simulations, and more. Book your meeting now.